Oriri arutani nene ya mathukuru bururi-ini marang'etheirwo ni kiriga kia uria megutwarithia na mbere mihango mathukuru-ini kumana na gucererwo gutumwo gwa kigina kia mahuthiro mathukuru-ini. Riu thirikari neaniriire gutuma kigina giki kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 31.3 mbere ya thukuru ciothe hinguritwo kiumia giki.
To buttress the President's commitment, the provision of the free running program in the primary school level and the free tuition learning program at the junior and the secondary school levels, the National Treasury released Kenya shillings that 1.34 billion to support runners enrolled in the subsector. These funds have effectively cleared the way for a smooth opening of schools for the first term of the 2024 calendar year countrywide as effective from today.
Kuringana na Minista wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu, muigana wa ciringi bilioni 4.7 igairwo thukuru cia Muthingi, ciringi bilioni 7.6 ikagairwo irathi cia junior, igeranio na arũgamĩrĩri igeranio makagairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2.8. Rĩrĩ thukuru cia secondary igairwo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 13.2.
I did have an engagement that was last week on a Tuesday between my peers, the CS National Treasury and the PS National Treasury, and the money was released to us on Wednesday. We have dispersed this money to all the schools, and I'm sure that the money must by now be in the respective accounts of the schools, may it be primary, junior school, or secondary schools.
Rĩanĩrĩra rĩrĩ rĩa Machogu rĩũkĩte o rĩrĩ arutani anene a mathukuru marambĩrĩirie gũthugunda njĩra ngũrani cia kuongerera kĩgĩna kĩrĩa monganagia mathukuru-inĩ nĩguo kũhota kũrũgamĩrĩra tabarĩra na maũndũ matiganĩte ma mathukuru kũrũmĩrĩra gũcererwo kũrekererio gwa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ nĩ thirikari.
But I would want to assure our schools, assure our head teachers, assure our principals that yes, we have released capitations. The resources that you are required to receive, we have released that resource. If it's not in your accounts today, it is a process. It could be in the accounts of schools today, tomorrow. The slowest banks maybe on Wednesday. But I would want to assure you that we have met the payments.
Imwe cia thukuru iracũngĩrĩirio nginya kuongerera bithi iria arutwo marĩhaga o mwaka mũgarũ na mendekithia ma Ministry ya Gĩthomo. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie Minista Machogu gwatha arũgamĩrĩri a gĩthomo makaunti-inĩ gũthuthuria na gũtigĩrĩra gũtirĩ thukuru kuongerera bithi kũrĩ aciari.
The amount of school fees which is supposed to be paid for national schools is 53,000 Kenya shillings, and for county schools is 45,000. So our sub-county directors of education and the county directors of education have been informed and instructed to ensure that no other school, no such school levies any additional school fees. And we are going to make sure we follow that. And in case you get any, kindly give us the information. Thank you.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura Wagunya.